Hi, I'm Alice. I'm from House of Travel and we're a UK-based travel agency specialising in Walt Disney World Resorts and Universal Orlando holidays. And I'm here to answer the question, are the water parks open all year round? Yes and no. So, since COVID, both water parks haven't been open at the same time. Typically, Disney keeps one open, obviously for your use, and then the other is closed for maintenance and repairs. At the moment, at the time of recording, Typhoon Lagoon is open, and we are typically seeing a pattern of Typhoon Lagoon being open in the summer months and Blizzard Beach, which is handily themed as a ski resort, is open in the winter months. You will always have access to a water park, some conditions. If there's a storm, if there's a hurricane, if there is any kind of adverse weather, they will typically close the water parks first. Obviously, they don't want you in water with electrical activity in the sky. It's very dangerous. So on those occasions, the water parks will close. And during July to September, October time, that is quite frequent. There are a lot of storms. It is stormy season, it is hurricane season. So please do be aware that if you are travelling in those months, there are occasions where the water parks will close due to weather. Other than that, they are open all year round. The water is heated. Obviously, bear in mind that it can get really cold in the winter. They have seen snow, they have seen minus conditions, they have seen adverse weather recently. So just bear in mind that although they are open, it can be very cold, but it is typically a warmer temperature and they do keep them heated. So you may be able to travel and use them in the really cold months of December to March, but that is at your discretion. And that's it. The water parks are open all year round, but typically at the moment we're only seeing one open at a time. Blizzard Beach is due to open in November, so look out for that. And if you're travelling November onwards, it's really exciting because it is a more limited park. Thank you so much for watching. As an exclusive gift just for you, we've linked a Disney World guide in the bio below. This guide features over 30 pages of tips, tricks and hacks to make your Disney World holiday a success. So please do download it and give it a read, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.